Ang ganda ng tanawin, ano? Mapaparelax ka talaga dito sa Cheningir Mountain Resort. Matatagpuan ito sa Claveria, Misamis Oriental. Dito, makakalimutan mo talaga ang ingay ng syudad.
The sun is chasing after the dark.
We are now leaving our accommodation. Marami palang rooms at beds dito. Swak na swak para sa family at barkada. Meron ding swimming pool at playground for kids and adults alike. Wi-Fi at karaoke. Our next destination is the Don Narciso Cafe and Restaurant. This is a go-to place in Claveria for real foodies at heart. Not only the food is one of the best in Misamis Oriental, the portions are also generous. Mababait ang service crew and the restaurant is very Instagrammable. What makes it truly unique at talagang balik-balikan ng mga customers is the scenery. It is truly breathtaking. At ang pinakahantay ng lahat, it's time to order. We are just soaking up the scenery as we are waiting for our food. You can never go wrong with a burger and meatball spaghetti. Pagkatapos namin kumain, pumunta kami sa baba para mas makita namin ang pictures view na ito.
For the go.
At umalis na nga kami at pumunta na kami sa aming next destination, which is the Claveria View Deck. This destination is famous for its snacks and the Instagrammable sceneries. Kaya napapicture kami ni Mrs. dito. Kaya pagkatapos namin mag-aura farming, pumunta na kami sa last destination namin, which is the ostrich tree. As its name suggests, mukha talaga siyang ostrich. At nasa gilid lang siya ng daan where there is a pineapple farm. Madali lang siyang marating. Hanggang sa muli, makiglambigit ako, ikaw, sila, Claveria, Misamis Oriental, ang ganda mo.